What is going on, everybody? James of Blue Eye Tech coming here, wanting to give you guys my unboxing and review of the GOplay Nintendo Switch grip. Alright, so let's open up the packaging and see what we get inside. Alright, so as soon as we get the grip out of the packaging, you'll see that everything is kind of wrapped together in this one little plastic bag here. They have some styrofoam piece there right where your Switch will go, as well as the cleaning cloth. One of the first things to notice as soon as you pick up the grip is that it's very lightweight, so it'll barely add any weight whatsoever to your Switch when it's in this grip. It has two hooks on the top as well as two thicker hooks on the bottom to kind of hold the Switch in place. On the back of the grips, you'll notice that there's these little grooves here in the handles to actually where your fingers will rest to add a little bit more comfort. And as you can see right here, sliding your Switch into this grip is actually pretty easy. All you have to do is apply a little bit of pressure there on the bottom and it just snaps right on in. Now, while having the grip on, that actually does make holding the Switch a lot more comfortable in my opinion. Like I said earlier, it does not add any kind of weight to the Switch whatsoever since it is so lightweight. But being able to actually have these proper grips as opposed to just holding the Switch the way it comes out of the box, it definitely makes this thing a lot more comfortable. One of my favorite things about this grip is actually being able to use like a kickstand. So if you don't like using the kickstand that comes with the Switch, you don't have to even use it at all. But if you're one of the few that actually do like using that kickstand, there's actually a cutout right here. So you can just pop out that kickstand and be able to use it even with this grip on. Now, this is my second grip from GOplay because unfortunately my first one did break because I tried to put the Hori D-pad controller into it. So the Hori D-pad controller will not work with this grip. If you do want to get a grip that will work with the Hori D-pad controller there, get the Satisfy Gaming grip. It's the only grip I know that actually will work with the Hori D-pad controller, but this grip unfortunately does not. Now, one thing you can get that is kind of optional is the Switch case to go with your GOplay Switch grip. Now, the reason why I say it's kind of optional is because while you can buy the Switch grip by itself, if you go to like stores like Target and I think even Best Buy, you cannot buy the case by itself separately. The case actually does come with the grip actually in it. So if you want to get the Switch grip and then you want to buy the case later on, you could do that, but you end up having two grips instead of one. Where I recommend if you want to get the case and the grip, just buy the case because it comes with the grip and you're good to go. So the thing I like about this case is it actually allows you to store many different things. You even got a little bit of a mini case here for your games. You can store about 4 games in there or even like 3 games in a micro SD card if you want. You have a little spot there for the cleaning cloth. And also the other cool thing I like about this too is there's actually 2 little spots at the bottom of the case here where you can actually slide these little Joy-Con rails. And it kind of fits right in there. It's actually, the cutouts actually are made specifically for these rails, which I think is kind of a nice little thing to add. Putting the grip in there is actually pretty easy. It fits in there pretty snug, so all you have to do is apply a little bit of pressure there at the top and actually kind of fits in perfectly in my opinion. Just strap it down there with the piece of Velcro and you're pretty much good to go at that point. I've shaken this case around. You don't really hear any kind of rattling. It fits in there very snug. And I've even dropped this case a few times and the Switch is not damaged at all, neither is the grip. So this has been my unboxing review of the Switch grip by GOplay. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. If you guys want to catch further videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that bell icon. If you guys want to hit me up on Twitter, I'll leave a link down in the description below. As always, this is James of Blue Eye Tech, and I'll catch you guys next time.